Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back to check out another Discord music bot, taking a look at cool music, which offers you all the things that you come to know and love from various different Discord music bots. You can play music, with different filters. You can see a big old list of all the filters here, along with setting a 24/7 mode. You can configure a DJ, different setup information. You can autoplay, you can search for songs on YouTube directly through the interface without having to actually go onto YouTube to find music and then post a link. All of those good things, and for the most part, pretty much everything here doesn't really even require you to go vote on the website. Like, you can use the filter commands for free right out of the box. So let's check them out and see what it does. So to begin with, you can type in ..help to start getting an idea of all of the different commands if you didn't peek on the website. And it's split into a bunch of different categories like music commands, moderation commands to keep people from typing or using the bot, miscellaneous commands for seeing the top 10 most played songs on the bot, and general info commands. I will say there's not a lot of commands here. It seems kind of odd to split them into different categories like that, when you probably just want to use these commands as you're learning the bot at a glance. But you can also just go, because it's completely /command compatible, you can just go / and look at all of the different commands for the bot without actually having to go through its help commands. So that's kind of nice as well. So normally when you're playing music, you just jump into a channel, start playing music, and the bot will jump in with you. Although, because I was just listening to music, the bot stayed in the channel, so I'm just going to hop in with it myself. And we're just going to search for NCS and see what it gives us. So a lot of music bots will do this similar thing, where they'll list out your options of like the top 10 search results, and you can grab them from this pull-down list, so I'll just do that. If you wanted something that's not on this list, you'd either have to search for it yourself on YouTube or be a little bit more specific with the song or the information that you're looking for to get a video that it'll pull the audio from and start playing. And so then it'll just pop into this channel and start playing like you hear right now. Now, the other thing that's kind of nice is this bot gives you your typical buttons to start, stop the song, to pause it, resume it, to autoplay whatever's going on next in the queue, or to just loop this song in general. I don't always see them put the loop commands or the loop button front and center, and if I click this, it's automatic. You don't have to pay for this feature to just loop this song automatically and infinitely. And if you put this on 24/7 mode, it'll continue to play even when I'm not physically in the channel, which is cool. But if we wanted, we could also resume or pause the player by just typing in /pause or /resume, whatever is easiest for you. You have that option. And I can type in resume. And then from there, I think I'll search for some other stuff to put into the queue so that we just have some stuff to play with, so we can see how well the sound, the music player behaves, I suppose. That way we have a good idea, like, is the bot responsive? Is the bot doing this? Is the bot doing that? You'll have an idea. And I will say, I am recording this video around noon, so this isn't, like, the heaviest time for, like, Discord traffic in general. So just keep that in mind when you're comparing, like, if you use this bot on your server and you're like, it's kind of laggy at 8 o'clock at night during peak hours, Larry. Well, that might be why. But for the most part, I've experienced basically no lag. It's pretty snappy, and it almost immediately starts popping in, playing the music, playing filters, and all of that, although sometimes there's like a split-second delay, which is normal for bots in general. So now that we've got all that, let's check a look at the queue. We can take a look at what all songs are coming up next. So currently, it's playing the top 50 most popular NCS songs, followed by the top 20, followed by Tobu, and then we can add more stuff if we'd like. So anyway, here is the queue. The current track is the top 50 most popular songs, and because I've got it on loop, it's also going to play the top 50 most songs again right after that, because there's 3 in the queue after the current song. And then after that, it's top 20 with followed by Tobu. So that's kind of cool. I don't see a lot of bots that start with 0 for current track, but that does make sense. And so from here we can remove, like, say I don't want to play like number 2 from the queue, I can just remove 2 out of the queue. So that actually, oh, that's weird. Okay, so the numbers don't actually line up with what you're given here. Number 1 is the current track, followed by this, followed by this. Okay, that's a little confusing. I would just say, like, number 1 should just say now playing, like NP, followed by the first up, followed by the second up, so that whatever number I enter into that command removes the correct thing. Otherwise, that's going to get confusing. Okay, that's odd. And then after that, we can just add a filter. Let's check out... First off, let's try 24/7 mode and see what that does. That should just keep the system enabled so that if I leave the channel, it should still be playing music when I go back inside. Yeah, so that's... You can just enable 24/7 mode by default. I'm not premium. I'm not paying for anything. I have not voted for this bot. This is literally just stock out of the box. Just invited this to the server last night and started playing it this morning. Easy peasy. Don't have to mess with anything. That might change. Like, if this bot suddenly got popular, they might start looking to monetize it to pay for server capacity and space. That's understandable, but for right now, you can just use stuff. So let's look at the filters. So filter, and then I don't remember, is like lo-fi one of them? Oh no, it's not, or at least not the way that I spelled it, but here's a list of all of the ones that we can play with. So let's do filter, Nightcore. It would be nice if they gave me just a big pull down to select from, like they did with the other stuff, so I'm not like typing out the names. But we'll just activate Nightcore and see what it does. So it looks like the default filter is Bass Boost 6. And then on top of that, it added Nightcore. Okay, I mean, it added the filter. It was pretty snappy, although it did stop the song and then started over from wherever you left off with the filter engaged, instead of just like playing and then all of a sudden filter. But that filter was snappy and works well, so I like that. How do I turn it off? Because it doesn't look like there's an off or none. Is off a command? It is. Okay, so to turn it off, you just type in off. Cool. And then it just puts it back to normal. Alright, that's cool. Otherwise, I suppose you could actually mix and match these filters. Let's type in filter Nightcore. And then we can start adding like other weird stuff to it, because there's like a dozen different bass boostings. Why does one need that much bass boosting? Just boost it or don't. Wow, okay, so filter, and then let's add in some echo. Let's bass boost it to like 12? Just for fun. Just because apparently we can just pile on a bunch of crap. Okay, it does look like that when you add enough filters onto it, it does sort of confuse the bot a little bit, but I mean, it's cool that you can actually mix and match filters like that, though. I don't think I've ever seen a bot do that, or at least if you did do that, you had to pay for it. And I don't usually pay for these. So, there you go. Alright, that was actually kind of neat. So, let's see, what other features do we want? Let's see what the DJ is. So, let's DJ enable. And then what role did I say was like the DJ role? Oh, just DJ. Okay, I'm incredibly original, I know. Okay, so that we can enable DJ and set the DJ role to a specific role. Or you can just type in /DJ disable to disable it. Okay, simple enough. So if you want to set up a DJ role, just have one pre-created with whatever name you want. It lets you easily set that role by name, and then you can just start giving that to people who are going to be the admin of the bot. That way not everybody is constantly trying to vote to change stuff for the bot, and nobody's, you know, able to control it. That way you've got someone who's always able to skip a bad song, to remove a troll song someone slipped into the queue or whatever. All right, that's very nice, easy to set up. And do we want to mess with anything else? You can reset the DJ to whatever the default is, which I guess is off. No, I think that's pretty straightforward. It plays all the songs you like. It lets you start, stop music, search for music, have a bunch of different controls for that music, loop the music, play it 24/7 as a radio, add different filters, and all of it's free. Like, I haven't had to do a single thing that requires me to vote or to pay for this bot so far, which is nice. Although it does have the option to take you there if you like the bot to vote for it. And if you do use this bot a lot, I would recommend doing that because it helps the developers out. I mean, you're using the stuff that they've made for free. So I don't see any reason why not. And yeah, check it out for yourselves. It's cool music. There's some moderation tools. They've got some other tools, like you can check the status of the bot. Or ping the bot. Yep, there it is. Let's ping the status of the bot to see what its millisecond delay is. Oh, 82, not bad. But yeah, this is cool music. It's free. Check it out now. I'll put links in the video description to this page so you can add it yourselves. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.